How to transfer money from Skrill to PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually transfer money from your Skrill account to your PayPal account. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to transfer money from your Skrill to your PayPal, first of all, you have to understand that there isn't a direct way where you can transfer directly from Skrill to PayPal, but there is still a solution, and that is that you have to transfer from Skrill to your bank account and then load it on your PayPal account with the same bank account. So you can see I'm logged into my Skrill. On my Skrill homepage, what I need to do is just go to the withdraw tab over here, and basically you can see I don't have the option called PayPal. So basically what I have to do is select bank account in this case and just select withdraw now. Make sure that you have already linked your bank account and make sure that you select the correct bank account over here, and you just click on the next option. Then after that, just verify your identity, enter the amount that you want to send to your bank account and confirm it. Once you transfer the money to your bank account, open up PayPal, make sure that you have your bank added, or you can link a card, and after that you should be able to top up your PayPal account and load it from your bank account and deposit funds directly. So that is basically how it works, right? You don't have a direct option so far. Hopefully in the future Skrill and PayPal could be working together, but so far you have to get your bank account or maybe whatever card or anything you have in order to actually make some transactions. Hopefully this video answered a question as to how you can transfer from Skrill to PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.